welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be creating this halo look. So you can create this look with any kind of eyeshadows, but obviously you just follow the steps to change the color, so you will have a different kind of halo look. So halo look, eye makeup look, make sure eyes look bigger. So this is what I am going to be creating today. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. I'm starting off with a Benefit Cosmetics primer. It's just to help minimize the pores so your makeup looks nice and smooth. And I'm then going it with the concealer in my eyelids, and I'm blending it properly to make sure कि कुछ harsh lines कुछ ऐसा नजर ना आ रहा हो. So I'm just blending it properly, and then obviously I'm setting it with the translucent powder. Usually I set it with the pressed powder, so today I decided to do with the translucent powder because the translucent powder जो होता है उसका कोई pigment नहीं होता. So that's why I did that. So next I'm taking this Huda Beauty palette. I've taken this sea green shade-ish, the lightest shade that was in there. So I took that and मैंने inner corners पे और outer corner पे लगाया है, and then obviously slowly I built up the coverage. As you can see, I'm just dabbing it on. Initially you have to just dab it on, which I am doing just now. So I'm still building the color up, and then I'm making this bridge just to basically connect. So you make sure you dab the excess off, and then you make like a V bridge, so to थोड़ा सा उसके shade थोड़ा different आए नजर आए. So this is me. I've made the bridge. So I've taken this round brush and I'm going in with the darker color, and I'm just doing in the very inner corner. So जो मैंने पहले inner corner पर लगाया था उससे भी थोड़ा small portion पे लगाना है, as you can see. And I've taken this big fluffy brush and I'm just combining both of the colors together just to get that nice transition. So here I'm taking उससे भी थोड़ा और ज़्यादा dark green था, and I'm just putting that on the very edges of my eyelids. And I'm just going to blend it. And now I've taken this shimmer shade. I'm just going to use my fingers to blend it. As you can see, I am blending this with my fingers. And here I've taken this big fluffy brush, make sure it's clean, and I've taken off any excess glitter that was on my eyeshadows. So you just go in with a skin color shade and just go over near your brow bone thoda sa. And I'm just going over the dark shades again because they do go lighter as you are doing your makeup. And here I'm just taking a small brush and just going over the glitter as well again. So this is both eyes done. This is how they're looking. Okay, so moving on to the lower eyes, lower lids. I'm again taking the darker color first and putting them in my outer or inner corner, and then I've taken the lightest shade which I used, just blending them all together and leaving the middle bit. And in the middle bit I'm going to be using that glitter with the brush, and I'm taking that skin color right again, and I'm just putting it in my lower lid just to obviously clear up any mess. Okay guys, so that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look, and again I hope you learned something from it. So if you do like this video, make sure you do hit the like button, subscribe, comment, and just hit the bell icon so you will get the notification whenever I post. So yes, see you next time. Bye.